So we've removed the battery, and what we're going to do is remove this casing. So we've got to remove that Torx there, plus the two on the top there, on the left and the right there. It's a T40, and I'll get that out. Now to get the starter out, not only do you need to get those two bolts out for the back where those two dowels are there, on the left and right, but you also need to, if you've got ABS, you need to undo these with a T27. Two screws here which allows the ABS module to come away, otherwise the starter motor bottoms out on it and you can't get it out. So also you need to, with a 12mm ring spanner, you need to take off these two battery leads. Make sure when you put it back in that second one there gets connected up as well. So now we're going to move on to the bench and replace the solenoid switching gear.